It's like going to Little Dutch Farmer. You gonna help Daddy? Put the dirt in. No, use your shovel. Like a big spoon. Yeah, and put the dirt in the hole. Good job. It's like a big spoon, that's right. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Are you working? Say. Isaac, are you working? No, that's Daddy's. Get your shovel. Where's Isaac's shovel? Go get your Isaac's shovel. No, that's not yours. Go get Isaac's shovel.
Mommy.
Yeah, it's Mommy's. Go get Isaac's. Daddy's, that's right. Oh, go underneath the wire. There you go. You got it. Good job. All right, should we put dirt back in the hole?
No.
What are you gonna do with your shovel then? Can you say I'm working? Working.
Up.
Oh, I'm running out of battery.